Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be doing a green halo cut crease. So I started off the eyes using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, using that teal green eyeshadow, and I used the Morphe M506 brush.
The heart doesn't need a castle, it needs a bridge. Been too scared to unravel. Brick by brick, I built these walls. Now I know that I am strong. Just watch me tear them down. I'm gonna tear them down.
And then I went in back with the same palette and I used a slightly lighter green shade above where I applied the teal green, and I used the Morphe E36 brush to apply that. And then I went in with the E17 brush to further blend both shades together. Then I went in with this dark green shade from the Juvia'a Magic palette. I don't remember the shade, but I'm going to apply it in the description box. So I applied that in the crease area just to deepen it a little bit, and I used the Morphe E18 brush to apply that.
Then I'd be alone, stuck on the inside.
And then I went in back with all the other shades just to diffuse all of them together. And then I went in to cut the crease in a halo format, and I used the e.l.f. camouflage concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut and a flat concealer brush.
To protect my heart, but now I'm all alone, stuck on the inside.
And then I went in back with the first green shade that I used, that teal shade, and I applied it in the outer layer using the Morphe M506 brush once again, and also the inner portion.
I'm gonna tear them down.
And then I went in back with the same shade from the Magic palette, and I applied it at the outer layer as well, and drag it into the crease. And then I went in with this lime green shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I applied it in the middle portion just to give it that halo effect. And then I went in with the face portion. So I'm just going to speed up this portion for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are, don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars, you'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I'll bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. I bet my life, you'll be dancing on the moon. chose was wrong, and I'm still on my way closer each day to where I belong. I'm still rolling the dice, praying sometimes it don't last that long. I'm losing my faith, I'm walking away from what you knew all along. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're